How to turn on or turn off mobile hotspot on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we go down and then tap on connections. After that, we scroll down, then tap on mobile hotspot and tethering. Then at the top here, tap on mobile hotspot. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. When mobile hotspot is turned on, you can see there is a hotspot icon. It's like very similar to your Wi-Fi icon at the top right here. So that is the mobile hotspot right there. Now if you tap on the left hand side panel, in here you'll be able to view the mobile hotspot data you have shared for today. You can set the password for the hotspot, and you can choose band frequency, so we can choose between compatibility to high performance. So from 2.4 all the way to 6 gigahertz band. So you can select one of the available options in here. So for the most compatibility, you can choose 2.4 gigahertz. For the best performance, you can set it to 6 gigahertz. Now it will depend on the device that connecting to your device. Some of them might not have 6 gigahertz, so it might need to tune down to 5 gigahertz. And that's it. After, you can tap on the save button to save your changes. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.